Ikaw ba'y empleyado o yung kumpanya nyo nagbabalak na maglagay ng AI sa kanyang negosyo? If yes, watch this video po. So today I made a video on this topic, how to make AI work for you without losing your job. So may mga tips ako, 3 tips that I can give you on how to make AI work for you without losing your job. So the first tip is this. First tip is to go to this website called po.com. Minention ko na siya before sa inyo in my previous videos, but yeah, po.com. So the reason why in-encourage ko mapunta sa po.com, kung wala ka pang alam sa AI at gusto mo matuto ng AI, this is a very good tool or platform na pwede ka expose sa different kinds of AI. Yan. So from all the different variations na AI na meron ngayon sa market, nandyan lahat sa po.com. From image generation to conversational AI. So, po.com yan. So, yan ang magandang unahin na puntahan nyo para lang ma-try nyo. So, ang magandahan pa dito, it's free. My tip number 2 is to learn about prompting. So, prompt guide. There are 2 people or 2 influencers I would recommend that you watch. And these are si Hassan Abul Hassan. So, you can follow him in YouTube. So, yan ang YouTube, page niya, no? So, YouTube channel niya. So, follow this guy. And the other one is, and the second one would be si Sabrina Ramonov, no? So, she made an entire prompt library that's available in GitHub. So, you can follow her also in YouTube, no? Plus points kay Sabrina is she's actually Pinay, no? So, hindi ko lang sure kung marunong siya magtagalog, pero she's actually Pinay. So, but based in the US. So, that's another person you can follow if you want to learn about prompt engineering, no? And then the third one that I will recommend is to go through these YouTube channels, no? So these are the ones that I would recommend for you to learn about AI and understand the AI space. So one is the Builder Central. The number 2 is si Jeff Su, super funny guy in YouTube. Masarap siya panoodin, nakakatawa talaga lagi siya. We Are No Code. It's another YouTube university na pwede mo matutunan ng mga bagay-bagay about AI. Si Varun, super galing rin. Of course, si Hassan. And syempre, hindi mawawala ako. So, kung gusto nyo lang pa, syempre, joke lang yan. Kung gusto nyo lang naman. So, these are, so there are the 3 tips that I can say if you guys are worried na mawalan kayo ng trabaho or how you can use AI to be like, part of your work na. So, yun. So, follow those 3 tips and 3 points, no? So, I hope this helps and good luck sa inyong AI journey. If you want to learn more about AI, please follow me here. See you guys.